look, the glitter, the Huda beauty. I mean, hey everybody, welcome to my makeup corner. My name is Orlunda for those coming here for the very first time. Welcome y'all, welcome. I am super excited today because I am reviewing the Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette. It's literally orangey. I've waited for this palette for a while. When I saw that it came out, I was super excited, and the fact that I could get my hands on it was even more exciting. Look at those colors, y'all. Look at those colors. It has 9 colors, and I'm just gonna swatch them quickly. They don't have names, so that's the yellow. That is the shimmer. That one is that one there. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I like the way this one looks. It's a pink, and this one is that one there. That's that. It's a very dark purple, pink here. Wow, that pigment is amazing. And then that one. That one there. And the last shimmer. So look at that. That's the basic colors in the palette. They look pretty good. They look really good. I wanted this palette simply because of the bright colors that it has, and I like the shimmers. I've been looking for something with color that shimmers a lot like this one, and I know Huda has a very good reputation on Instagram. Everybody who's on Instagram knows Huda. I don't know why you would know, but yeah. Anyway, so Huda beauty products, everybody knows her products. I'm assuming they're like 3 different ones. One of them is a pink, there's a green, and then there's the orange. This orange one, I chose the orange one, and I got it from Hot of the Heels. You can actually get it from her. I'll put her contact details and her link to her Instagram page right here. Okay, super cool. Before I get into the makeup look, please do subscribe to the channel and leave your comment if you like the video. Click like if you like the video. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to start with the eyes. You know the process. Eyebrows are done. I'm going to clean up my under my eyebrow using the concealer from Signature. I haven't used this in a while since I tried them, but I think it will work nicely as an under eye cleaning up eyebrow situation. I'm gonna go in with my base. You guys already know the base that I use. You know. Awesome. Let's get into this situation. I don't know where this is going to go, so I just don't know. But I'm gonna start off with that dark shade there in the crease, the pink. Look at how nice and pink that is, and just tap it on, because the eyeshadow base that I use, you know this, actually works very well if you tap the color on instead of blending it. So you tap and then you blend, not just blend. Oh, this is so pretty. There's a little bit of fallout, but yeah, fallout does not really deter me to buy a product or give the product a bad review because it's falling out. It's just basically how that is part of the eyeshadow game. I don't know how you would lift and there's no fallout. Not a lot though, but there is fallout. I'll go into this color here. That will be that color there, just above the darker shade a little bit. So again, just tap and then blend. I like to go real high up to my eyebrow because I just feel like I don't have enough lid space. So I like to fill as much space as I can. If it's not your style, don't do. I'm going to use my Black Opal face powder. Set the area right below my eyebrow. So if I don't do it now, I'm going to finish the whole face and remember only afterwards that, oh, I didn't set that area. And then I'm going to, I don't know if I want to cut my crease. Do I want to cut my crease? Yes, I want to cut my crease. So I am going to go back in with the base to just cut my crease. Go back with that dark pink there. Now I'm just blending out all the colors, going into these two and then going over all the colors. Just lightly because I want a very smooth transition from the edge to the inner corner. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna try this glitter here. I don't know if I want to put it on top of the yellow or not, but we're playing around with this color anyway, so just see how it sits. The more I apply, the more I just want to keep going. Oh, look at how it looks. I feel like I need more glitter. So it looks very beautiful though. I love the colors. I'm going to add my own type glitter. I'm going to go in with the Keys waterproof lash glue just on top of the yellow area, random spaces. I will line my eye with the Yardley London Soft Kajal Eye Pencil. Just be lightly. It's a beautiful pencil, and I'm going to put on mascara, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the face, and we'll come back and finish the eye look. Go in with the Wet n Wild primer. And then I'll use the Wet n Wild primer foundation as well. I haven't used this one in a while. I'm going to use the Revlon Candid Photo Ready foundation in the shade 530 Pecan. I'm going to let it set a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Longwear Stick Foundation. It's almost done. I love this stick foundation so much. I couldn't find it in the shop when I went in, so I'm going to use what's left of it. This is in the shade Espresso 240. Then, using the Colors Limited loose powder, using the Revlon press powder in the shade Mocha, I'm going to bronze out my contour. This is a very warm shade compared to the coolness of the L'Oreal pressed foundation stick. I'm going to go back onto my eye. Maybe try this shade here. I don't like applying eyeshadow on my lower lid, you know what I mean, here, the under eye, because it's very sensitive. So sometimes you've seen it in my videos, I probably will just ignore the whole space, but this is a whole vibe, so trying to do that. My battery died, by the way, so I put my lashes on before I came back. I put in a little bit of more glitter here, if you can see that. I still have all mine. So basically, I just took out the hair, and here we are. What am I doing now? Oh, yeah, okay. So I'm going to put on a little bit of blush, sleek blush. And now I'm going to set my face using the Kiss Beauty Pro Setting Spray. And you know I always go in with my damn beauty blender again, so that whatever needed to be set that wasn't set can blend in nicely. Using my ever handy ColourPop highlighter, I'm going to highlight it a little bit. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, y'all, Swagg fam, this is the final look. I love the way it feels. Even my lips starting to move very different. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna sound different, but I have no idea why my accent is changing. But this looks so pretty. Guys, I feel like I need to do something else. I don't know what to do with myself with this look. I feel like I just... I need to make plans. I need to make plans. I need to go out. I need to go to the shop. I need to take the garbage out. I need to just do something that takes me out of this house. I mean, the way this is doing this whole look at disservice if I don't go out of the house. It's the Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette in orange.